this problem, we asked if the resonant frequency of the network is 10,000 radians per second, find L. Also compute the current at resonance, omega naught over 3 and 3 omega naught. And remember, omega naught is resonance, the resonant frequency. So, we remember omega naught for a series RLC circuit is 1 over the square root of LC. So if we square both sides, we get omega naught is 1 over, omega naught squared is 1 over LC. So L is 1 over omega naught squared C. So L is 1 over 10,000 squared times 100 times 10 to the minus 6. And that says that the value of L is 100 microhenries. Now, we're going to go through and do some calculations at different frequencies. So let's draw the frequency domain circuit, and you'll see it there. So if we look at the current I, we can write it as, since this is a single loop circuit, 30 at angle of 0 over 5 plus J times omega L minus 1 over omega C. And we've got values for L and C that we can plug in. First, though, at omega equal omega naught, we know that omega naught L minus 1 over omega naught C is 0. So then I omega naught is just 30 at an angle of 0 over 5, which is 6 at an angle of 0 degrees amps. So then I of omega naught T is 6 cosine 10,000 T amps. So there's the current at omega equal omega naught. Now, for omega equal omega naught over 3, which is 3,333 radians per second, we'll have I of omega naught over 3. We'll have 30 at an angle of 0 divided by 5 plus J. There's the omega. There's the L. And here's the omega. And then the value of C. And if we perform that calculation, I of omega naught over 3 then is 5.294 at an angle of 28.07 degrees. So I of omega naught over 3T, 5.294 cosine T plus 28.07 degrees amps. Then our last calculation is at omega equal 3 omega naught, which is 30,000 radians per second. So I of 3 omega naught then is 30 at an angle of 0 divided by 5 plus 5 times J plus 30,000 times L minus 1 over 30,000 times C. So now we have 5.294 at an angle of minus 28.07 degrees amps. And if we convert that over to the time domain, I have 3 omega naught T, then is 5.294 cosine 30,000 T minus 28.07 degrees amps.